Hi guys, welcome to Titostutor, your math pedagogue. In today's video, I want us to solve 4 questions I gave my year 5 students as homework. I want us to solve it together. And here are the 5 questions. It's on mensuration of circle. Okay, we're going to be finding areas of circle, circumference of circle. When circumference is given, can you find the diameter? When circumference is given, can you find the radius? When area is given, can you find area? When area is given, can you find radius or diameter? That is the homework I give my year 5 students, and we're going to solve it together. Here there are 4 questions, and in this calculation, we're going to be taking pi to be 22/7. So let's dig into it. First question. A motor wheel, remember, a motor wheel is always in a shape of a circle. So a motor wheel has radius of 28 centimeter. Find the circumference of the wheel. So in this question, we are asked to find circumference. So it's to remember your formula for circumference. What's your formula for circumference? Circumference is, so let's solve this. Solution to number 1. It says we should find circumference. Let's take C to be our circumference, and we have the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Remember, we're taking our pi to be 22/7, and the question says radius is 28. So all we need to do is to divide diagonally, because multiplication of fraction, this can be over 1, just to make it fractional looking. Okay, so here is 7 here 1, 7 here 4. So my circumference is 2 times 22 times 4 all over 1. And remember, anything over 1 is that same thing. So let's keep solving. 2 times 22 is 44, and 44 times 4 gives me 4 times 4 is 16. I put a plus 1 here. 4 times 4 is another 16 plus this 1, 17. So my final answer for circumference of that wheel that has 28 cm as its radius is 176 cm. And I am done. Here's the second question. It says, the circumference of a circle, now it was circumference that was given, is 176 cm. What is the diameter of that circle? Okay, so remember, solution to question 2. Remember that circumference is given as 2 pi r. So it's radius, but we were asked to find diameter. I want you to remember that diameter is 2 times radius. 2 times radius. Therefore, circumference can actually be pi d, because diameter is 2r. Pi times 2r is the same as pi times diameter. Okay, so in this case, circumference was given to us, so we'll say 176 is equal to 22/7 multiplied by d. So all we did was substitute what was given to us in the question into our formula. Wherever you see C, you put 176. Your equal sign, pi is 22/7, and d is what we are looking for. Remember that this is multiplying d. So when you take it to the other side, it becomes division. So here I have 176 divided by 22/7, and this is my d. Here is over 1, so it's looking fraction. So fraction divided by fraction is keep the first fraction, change this to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So we say it is keep, change, and flip. This gives me my d. Okay, so 22 can divide this 8 times. So I have 8 times 7 is equal to d. 8 times 7 is 56, and my diameter is 56 cm, and I am done. Okay. Now, here is our third question, and it says the area of a circle is 154 meters square. Find the radius. So area is already given to us. Here is our solution to question 3. Area was given to us as 154 meter square. But we know the formula for area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, so in this case, area was given, so I'm going to write my area under area, my equal sign. My pi is going to be taken as 22/7, and it's multiplying radius square. Okay, so I'm going to solve for radius now. I'm going to take this to the other side because it is multiplying. When it crosses an equal sign, it becomes division. So I have 154 all over 1 divided by 22 all over 7, and this gives me r square. Okay, so I have keep, change, and flip division of fraction. This is going to give me r square. So let's check. How many times does 22 go in 154? It goes 7 times. 22 here 1, 22 here 7. So I have 7 times 7 is equal to r square. You know this is 7 square and this is r square. The square cancels square. Radius is equal to 7 meter, and you're done. Another way of doing it is, make sure you know that your 7 times 7 is 49 is equal to r square. To get rid of square, because you're actually looking for r, not r square. In algebra, to get rid of square is to square root both sides. Square root of 49 is 7, and square cancels square root. So you have your radius as 7. So any method you decide to use is the same. Your radius is 7 meter, and you're done. Okay, so this is the last question for my year 5 homework. Number 4. What is the area of a circle with radius 3.5 meters? Okay, so in this case, we are actually looking for area. Okay, so how do we do that? Number 4. Area of a circle is pi r square. Pi is to be taken as 22/7 multiplied by radius is 3.5 multiplied by another 3.5 because it says r square, radius times radius. 3.5 times 3.5 multiplied by pi. Okay, so let's go. You can divide diagonally, so this is 7 here 1, 7 here 0.5. So your answer is 22 times 0.5 multiplied by 3.5. So let's do this carefully. Let's multiply these two first. So if I want to do that, I'll do 22 multiply by 5, forgetting the decimal first. When I'm done and I get an answer, I'll slot in the decimal point, just one of it. So let's go. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. 5 times 2 is another 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so I'm going to slot in my decimal point. So this is 11. So it is 11 times 3.5. Okay, so let's do this. Forget about the decimal for now. Just multiply 11 times 3.5. Then you slot in one decimal place when you're done. Okay, so you have 35. Forget about the decimal for now. So it's just 35 times 11. Multiply. Okay, 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is another 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Close up this place so you don't get confused. Close up this place, then put a plus. Okay, so this is 5, 8, and 3. So remember, it has only one decimal point because 0.0 is nothing and we didn't even use it. So it is 0.5, just one. This is final answer, 38.5 meter square. And you are done. Here is the solution to 4 questions I gave my year 5 students as homework. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss any math video from me. Thank you for watching.